What is going on, everyone? I hope everyone's doing well out there. It has been a minute since I have made a video. Guys and girls, if just get your internet stuff situated. Oh my gosh, it's been a nightmare of a 3 weeks. But anyway, we are back and running, guys. Unfortunately, the market has been crazy, in my opinion, since the last time I feel I made a video. So we're gonna get right into it because yeah, I don't know about you guys, but most of my stocks are taking hits. But I still believe in all the stocks that I have. So just weather the storm, guys. Make sure to have your strategy ready. One big strategy, and I'm gonna make a video on just things that I've learned overall because I think it's always good to get back to fundamentals. But one strategy is always to have some sort of cash on hand to be ready for situations that like are going to come up, in my opinion, and we'll talk about. But and that's easier said than done, right? So that's, maybe sometimes budgeting, sometimes it's selling your losing stocks, right, that you kind of don't have any hope in, right, and taking the money that you can. I'm not saying act impulsively, guys. That's not what I'm saying. Please do everything as thought out as you can, but secure your money more than anything. All right, so looking at the SPY real quick, and we'll get into individual stocks. But before I do, guys, in my opinion, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, and according to other people that I, talk to and listen to, the market's not done getting a little bad. So, with August coming up and September, we do have a lot of earnings for various companies, especially small caps, but we just need to be ready for, in my opinion, something that's going to be maybe a good stretch in August these next couple of weeks. But after that, I feel that we're going to get back to levels like these, maybe even lower. So in my opinion, you should have some cash on hand, and I'm sure you guys are doing that already. But if we look at the 4 hour, I mean, the SPY is still looking good. It's never a bad time, guys, to buy. If you're long on stocks, and it's never a bad time to DCA on some stocks. But like I said, I do think that prices may go down even further in stocks. But the SPY is holding strong. I mean, if you look at the 4 hour and even look at the 1 day, we're still in a very bullish trend. But in my humble opinion, I just don't know if the market is sustainable at these levels, and that's scary for me to say because I'm very bullish on the market. But it's kind of like where is the next run going to come from, right? But that's where legislation, hopefully, as a whole, takes its place and does their job. And just all the factors in the economy, right? All branches of the government that are involved, at least, and just which really there's no branches that should be involved. It's just the Fed. So letting them do their job, whether you like Powell or not, whether you agree with him or disagree with him, the market is in a good condition. So long term, I think we're in a good place. But anyway, guys, I know I'm yapping. Let's keep going. So Navitas, guys, I think I made a video on this when it was 584. So it's still holding pretty strong. If you look at the 4 hour, it is probably going to fall a little bit lower, in my opinion. I wouldn't doubt. I think it actually did test pretty low today. It closed at 721, so maybe it's going to bounce back. But again, guys, I know they have earnings coming up, so watch for that. But if it's a good earnings, it could spike pretty quick. Maybe if you want to secure profits, but if you're long, not really something to worry about. But secure profits and then just I do feel it's going to come back down maybe in the five, sixes sometime soon. So just be ready. Again, have that cash on hand, and maybe that's by securing profit. So maybe you double dip, rinse and repeat. So Rigetti also. And again, guys, this is just a quick overview, so please make sure to do your own due diligence. But still holding strong on the 4 hour Rigetti, although we did kind of fall below that bar right there. So we're gonna probably look to test maybe even back to the 12 range, 1250 range. So just be ready for that, guys, because I'm still very, very long term on Rigetti, and it looks like there's going to be some discount prices probably in September, like we said. So iron on the 4 hour, and again, guys, I love to look at the 4 hour. Just be watching iron because I think they should have their monthly report coming out maybe today, actually, July 30th, but tomorrow maybe they'll have the monthly report for July. Look for it to be, in my opinion, pretty lucrative. So watch, who knows, maybe iron overnight tonight. Just be ready, guys, because look, already up 74 cents aftermarket. So we will see what iron does tomorrow. I'm excited, or these next few days, I should say, closing out the week. So ATAI, honestly, guys, back to iron, I really do think this is a good buying opportunity. I really, really do. But again, do your own due diligence, okay? ATAI, this one is actually they dipped. So news on ATAI was I believe a schizophrenia trial went pretty bad for them, so they backed out. It took a pretty big hit down to like the 295, all the way down to 295. It was after hours on Friday, last Friday, and it's already back, and it's already exceeding I think the first video that I made on it. So I'm still long on this, guys, especially with RFK at the helm. So oh man, guys. Oh, Surf Air Mobility. I'm still very, very long term. I'm not necessarily bullish on it right now, but I'm very long term on Surf M. A lot of people are saying, "Oh, it's a meme stock. It's not gonna do anything." But I mean, I hope that's not the case, and I don't. It's not the case, but they have a long way to go. But guys, I mean, look at these levels, right? That's the 1 minute. 4 hour, although we did kind of go below, the 13, down below the 50, so just be ready. It could go down further. It could test the 326 range, 330. I don't believe it'll go down to that offering price, but you never know if it might. You never know, guys. But I'm still very long on Surf Air. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I know this was kind of a quick recap, but these stocks I'm still very long term on. These are the ones that I'm still very bullish on as well. Well, not necessarily bullish, but long term. So do your own due diligence, guys. Good luck out there. And just, again, be ready for September. You might want to have some cash on hand. Hit that like and subscribe.